WhatsApp is rolling out a new security feature to help users spot potential scams when added to group chats by people outside their contacts. Now, when you're invited to a group by someone you don't know, you'll see a safety overview card. This card shows details like the group's creation date, member count, and tips to stay safe. You can exit the group right away or check the chat for more context, and notifications will stay silent until you decide to stay. WhatsApp also alerts you when someone outside your contacts messages you, encouraging you to pause and verify before responding to anything suspicious. Contact CD Technology today to discuss how we can keep your business secure. 865-909-7606.